Hi teachers! In this coronavirus era, we've made a tremendous technological progress, teaching from a distance. But there is one thing we are still struggling with: how do we make tests? We are all aware that a student can sit in front of the screen and look like he is concentrating on the test, but underneath he is text messaging the answers to other students. How can we deal with that? Well, there is a way, a quite simple one. Introducing Test Expander, a revolutionary Google Forms add-on that will change the way you make tests forever. With this add-on you can create lots of tests from just one test, have a unique test for each student, minimize the possibility of students copying from each other, and now a special beginning of school year launching price. Just $29.97 instead of $39.97. Get it today. Link in the description.